Are you looking for an innovative way to sell your products and services? In this video, I'm going to show you how to use AI app and WhatsApp to take your business to the next level. Learn how to leverage AI and WhatsApp chatbot integration for driving more sales. See how thousands have been using this powerful app for boosting their profits. Discover how you can skyrocket your sales by leveraging the power of AI and WhatsApp. Watch the video to the end. Also, you can visit the link in the description box for more details. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Now, let's get started. Start unlocking the potential of AI-driven app and automating sales today. Start selling anything: physical products, digital products, affiliate offers, or services. Let AI completely run your business. With this amazing app, AI Spark, the world's first AI assistant that will operate a profitable business on your behalf, leaving only one job for you: profit. Create your first AI-powered marketplace that will sell any products on your behalf, and let AI agent run it without any human interference, all by leveraging WhatsApp to exploit billions of users all over the world. That comes with its own robust AI assistant that will generate leads for your customers on demand. But that's not all. AI Spark will go also talk to every single lead and close high-ticket deal for them without any human interference. It replaces an entire marketing and sales team. Get your own AI sales team to do all the selling for you. AI Spark will give you the ability to create your own AI agents. These agents will do all the heavy lifting for you. They will do all the selling on your behalf. They will talk to all the new customers that will come pouring into your stores, and will close up to 83% of them into paying customers. Comes with 60-in-1 AI mind-blowing features. Thousands are using AI Spark to create and run a profitable business. Create stunning AI-powered stores on top of WhatsApp in 30 seconds or less. Let AI find the perfect products for you, or add yours. Sell digital, physical, affiliate products, or even services. Deploy DFY AI chatbots that will talk to your customers and sell 24/7 on your behalf. AI lead sourcer that will give you active leads in any niche. Send unlimited broadcast messages to all your customers with one click. Integrate with your autoresponder and build massive list. One-click integration with all top payment processors. Built-in traffic feature for 100% free targeted clicks. No complicated setup. Get up and running in 2 minutes. Zero upfront cost. AI Spark will turn the boring WhatsApp into a powerful marketplace. AI Products Hunter. Don't know what to sell? No problem. Let your new AI agent take care of that. Just enter a niche, or you can skip that too, and the AI agent will go and find you the best products that are proven to convert. Physical products, digital products, affiliate offers, services. Say goodbye to manual work and start unlocking the potential of AI and automatic sales today. Visit the link in the description box for more details. In the end, if you like this video and found it helpful, please hit thumbs up, comment, and share it. Subscribe and turn on the notifications bell for more videos like this.